Total 3 BHK house plan design, 33 feet 2 inch and 34 feet 0 inch building area. 33 by 34 feet is equal to 1122 square feet. Building area, not plot area, only for building area. Okay. Next, door. Next, D1. Next door, D1. Door, stair up, D1, D1, gate, entry. Window, window, ventilator, window, window, the window, ventilator and window. Wall, नेक्स्ट वॉल, इसमें 5 इंच का वॉल हमने इधर ड्रॉ किया है। किचन, नेक्स्ट मास्टर बेडरूम, अटैच बाथ प्लस W/C, बारांदा के साथ एक मास्टर बेडरूम, 12 feet 0 inch by 13 feet 6 inch length into breadth and 6 feet 6 inch by 5 feet 4 inch. Next, kitchen, door, storeroom, 8 feet 7 inch by 8 feet 0 inch, stair up, landing, porch, 3 feet 6 inch wide, baranda, 3 feet wide. Next, common bathroom and latrine, 6 feet 6 inch, 5 feet 4 inch. Next, bed cum guest room, 12 feet by 13 feet 6 inch. Next, और एक बेडरूम, 12 feet 0 inch by 13 feet 6 inch. Dining area, drawing area, 10 feet 11 inch and 19 feet 3 inch. 5 feet 2 inch by 5 feet 1 inch storeroom and stair area 7 feet 6 inch into 10 feet 0 inch के अंदर 1 2 3 4 column, 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 column, 16 numbers column. 250 by 300 mm, 125 mm wall. Building cost 22 lakh plus. तो पूरा डिज़ाइन प्लानिंग आपको अगर पसंद आता है तो लाइक शेयर कर सकते हैं।